Quickly!
This severe thunderstorm will be near Milford around 6:10 p.m. Holly around 6:15 p.m. Ortonville and Clarkson around 6:25 p.m. Pontiac around 6:30 p.m. Oxford around 6:35 p.m. Rochester around 6:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Rochester Hills, Eagle Harbor, Lakeville, Waterford, Davisburg, Holly State Recreation Area, Commerce, Rose Center, Lake Orion, and Sylvan Lake. People attending DT Energy Music Theater should seek safe shelter immediately. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following
SVR!
Oakland, Michigan. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Oakland County in southeastern Michigan until 7 p.m. and 6:01 p.m.
Here we go! Yeah? Yeah!
Pontiac has issued a special marine warning for
Hey!
shore and open waters from Port St. Luc to Port Huron.
Another one!
7:30 p.m.
Another one!
4 p.m. A strong thunderstorm was located 13
Yeah!
west of Lexington, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts.
Oh!
Source, radar.
Come on in, dogs!
Could be damaged.
Come on!
Higher winds and
Quickly!
waves. The strongest thunderstorm will be near Lexington and Port
Come on!
around 6:30 p.m.
Quickly!
Move to safe shelter from the hazardous weather causes.
Another one!